Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Wells Fargo bank to the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started using the OnePay app and you want to use your Wells Fargo bank to fund it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? First, log on to the OnePay app. Then in the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then click on Account. Then click on Linked Accounts. Then click on Link Bank Account. Next, you're going to be redirected to Plaid. So what Plaid is that it connects financial institutions together and it keeps your data safe. Click on Get Started, then click on Continue as Guest, then click on Wells Fargo. Once you click on Wells Fargo, it's going to prompt you to actually log in so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to the OnePay app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Wells Fargo bank with the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.